What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be giving you an update on my C1500. A couple of you guys in the comments wanted to know how the dash was holding up since I painted it. So without further ado, here we go. I also changed the wheels on it. Took the 24-inch rocks off and put on some 26-inch Strata wheels. Truck still need painting. Needs washing. It's really dirty. But as you can see, the dash is still holding up pretty good. No complaints from me. Right here on the handle, it's taking a couple of scratches. That's no problem. You can always touch it up. The rest of it's holding up pretty good. The worst spot in the entire truck would be on the door here, because I work construction and I wear coveralls. So the zipper on my coveralls rub up against it and scratch the door up. I just haven't took it off and touched it up yet because I wanted you guys to see it without me touching up on it at all. But everything's holding up pretty good for a couple of cheap cans of paint, I think. And I don't baby my truck. This is my work truck. Everything's holding up pretty good.
Now they wanna do the rodeo. They say it's hood ass always talking about him.
I also changed the bench seat out. Found these on Marketplace. I have to get them real posted, but I wanted to keep a bench seat, and I also like these with the headrest and the armrest on it. Once I get it posted and get new carpet, everything should be pretty good in here. I might probably gonna replace the dash later on also. It's all busted up, but it'll do for a work truck. No complaints, really. Yes, take care of business with this truck. There it is.